Hello, I'm Somi Ali. I'm the founder and president of No More Tears. I started No More Tears in 2006, September, because when I was living in Fort Lauderdale, I had a woman from Bangladesh who knocked at my door, and she was bleeding profusely on her forehead, and she said she had been beaten and she needed help. I ended up taking her to the emergency room to help her, and next thing I know, I'm in court testifying for her as a witness. It was a case of domestic violence, and that's when I thought that this was my calling and I needed to start a nonprofit to help domestic violence victims that are brought to the U.S. through arranged marriages. And that was one of our first cases, a woman from Bangladesh. At that time, we were not even registered as a nonprofit. And then we started No More Tears. Our first case was from a woman from Jordan who was brought here through arranged marriage, and she was here for 10 years, and she was being abused daily for 10 years, and only because she wanted to go to school and learn how to read and write, learn how to drive, and she was not allowed to leave her house. She was hit, her kids were hit, and there was a point when her hair was pulled out of her scalp, and she was locked in a room for 3 months, and she was abused very, very badly. Once again, I have to say that her only crime was that she wanted to study. So I thought this is what I wanted to do with my life and help women that are victims of domestic violence. I request all of you, and I urge all of you, to please log on to www.nomoretearsproject.org. It's nomoretearsproject.org. Please learn about what we're doing and how we're helping these women, and please donate.